Fleming here. Just want to help you with a very quick video showing you how to do the initial smartphone setup. So first thing you do when you create a new smartphone account is you're going to go through this account configuration screen. First off, you have to select the organization you have access to. You may have many, but the one you want to link to smartphone, in this case I'll link to Game Changers, my contact number, which I'll put in as, and that's in order for us to be able to contact you and verify who you are, and then your time zone and what is the default country you want to purchase numbers. I'll keep this US. I click Save and Proceed. Now, the next step is I need to actually sync smartphone with my Podio setup. So first you need to select the app where you store all your contacts in your CRM so that we can log phone calls against it. Simply click the button, choose the workspace, in this case here, choose the app where your contacts are located. In this case, I'll choose contacts, and then sync the fields so that we have them. Your name field, your phone field. This needs to be a Podio phone field. The photo, if you want to bring the CRM photos of people. Job title and company. Those are standard ones. Click Save. It's now syncing the Podio contacts, depending on how many you have. In this case, it's just a demo, so I don't have many. It syncs it. And the next thing, as you can see, it's now configured. I simply have to decide where I'm going to install the communications app. This is the app that smartphone installs in order to track your phone calls. I choose the workspace, I click Install, and you're now configured to start using smartphone with Podio. You go to your dashboard, and because I have only certain access, I'm going to give details of our company so that smartphone, we can verify who you are. This is to basically weed out any hackers. So I'm going to say Game Changers. I'm going to give in our website so people know where we are, and again, our phone number, 693. And I will click Activate. So now our team will be looking at that and validating you. Once that's set up, you can get going and set up smartphone.